How's everybody doing today? It's KB Games here, and I'm here to show you guys how to get your Fraps to start recording again. A while ago, my Fraps stopped recording and wouldn't even show the overlays in the corner of how many frames per second I was getting. I'm here to fix that problem. What you're going to want to do is open up your Fraps, go to your General, and you want to check this option. If these options do not appear for you guys, you're going to need to right-click on your desktop, go to Personalize, and choose one of these arrow themes. After you choose one of these themes, you're going to want to exit this, go back into your Fraps, exit it, reopen it, and check this box. Once you check this box, your Fraps will be able to record again, and it's going to be showing your overlays. As you can see, it's showing mine. If this did not help and your Fraps will still not record, please don't be afraid to put a comment, and I will be as helpful as I can. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace out.